Hello to everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is development of new vaccines. As a nowadays we all are hearing about the vaccine developments in this COVID-19 pandemic era. So in this topic we are going to discuss the some basics and some the general information about the stages of the development of vaccine. So there are the stages. First one is the exploratory stage, then preclinical stage, clinical development, regulatory review and approval. Fifth is manufacturing, and sixth quality control. Let me brief you about these stages. After that, we will have detail about the clinical trials, which is very often heard here everywhere nowadays, and the stages of the clinical trial. So, first is exploratory stage. This stage involves basic laboratory research and often lasts 2 to 4 years in normal conditions. Scientists identify natural or synthetic antigen that could be helpful to prevent or treat a disease. This could be virus like particles, weakened virus or bacteria itself, weakened bacterial toxin, or any other substance derived from pathogens which can trigger the immune response in the body but do not cause the actual disease. So this is the basic for a vaccine. Now the second stage is preclinical studies. These studies uses tissue culture or cell culture systems and animal testing to assess the safety and immunogenicity of that candidate vaccine. Animals can be mice, monkey, or any some other which are used. This stage takes 1 or 2 years. Some desired modifications are done in this stage before next clinical stage. Next stage is clinical stage, but before going for the clinical trials, the investigator or developer company or organization have to submit an application to the regulatory body as US Food and Drug Administration, that is US FDA in the USA, and Drug Controller or General of India DCGI in India. Clinical trials is started after getting permission from the regulatory authority. Now we have come to the clinical trials, the third stage. There is the basically three phases of the clinical trial. First phase, first time administration in the human. So this is the first phase where the candidate vaccine is administered to the human. It involves a small group of adults, usually numbers between 20 to 80 subjects. These all are the healthy individuals. The goal of this phase is to assess the safety of the candidate vaccine and to determine the type and extent of immune response. The promising phase 1 result leads to the phase 2. Now phase 2, a larger group of several hundred individuals participate in phase 2 testing. Some of the individuals may belong to the groups at risk of acquiring the disease. These trials are randomized and well controlled. The goal of phase 2 testing is to study the safety, immunogenicity, proposed doses, scheduling for immunization, and method of delivery. Phase 3. After phase 2 trials, we move on the phase 3, which involving thousands to 10,000s of the people. These phase is randomized and double blind. One goal of phase 3 is to assess the vaccine safety in a large group of people, as certain rare side effects might not visible in smaller group of subjects in earlier phases of study. Vaccine efficacy is tested. Basically in phase 3 we will try to find out the answers of these questions. Does the candidate vaccine prevent disease? Does it prevent infection with pathogen? Does it lead to production of antibodies or other type of immune response related to the pathogen? After a successful phase 3 trial, the vaccine developer will submit a biologic license application to the regulatory authority, for example, to FDA in USA. After getting license from above authority, production begins. FDA will continue to monitor the production of vaccine and reviewing the manufacturer's test to lot of vaccines for potency and safety purity. There is a fourth phase. This is the post-marketing phase. It will continue to test regularly the safety, efficacy, other uses of vaccine, any new rare side effect, or any adverse event reporting related to the vaccine, or there is any emergence or high adverse event reporting about the vaccine. Post-license monitoring of vaccine is closely examined by the Center for Disease Control, CDC, and FDA. So this is the basic about the vaccine development. Mainly this is about the clinical trials, the phases of the clinical trials which comes under this vaccine development. Currently, vaccines for COVID-19 are under various stages of development. There is a link in the description to track the latest updates over the vaccine development. I hope this video will be beneficial and it will add some knowledge for you people. Thank you. Have a nice day.